So today we'll start again very basic concepts of 6 key. The 6 energies: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Now, fire we have divided in two parts. When we talk about the energy, so these are the 5 elements. Now we are dividing in the 6 energies. They become wind, heat and hotness, humidity, dryness, and coolness. So these are the 6 energies, right? Now every energy is having different meridians that we know. In the wind, we already know there is a liver and gallbladder. Heat, there is a heart and a small intestine. In the triple warmer, we know there is a pericardium triple warmer. In the humidity, there is a spleen and stomach. Write down yourself. Spleen and stomach. Then the dryness, there is a lungs and large intestine. And the coldness, there is a kidney and UV. Right. So this is the 5 elements and 6 energies. कि 5 एलिमेंट है लेकिन एनर्जी 6 क्योंकि फायर को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया, हीट एंड हॉटनेस, राइट. Now remember one thing, pericardium and triple warmer. Many people are telling pericardium as a brain meridian and triple warmer as a spinal cord meridian. ट्रिपल वार्मर को स्पाइनल कॉर्ड मेरिडियन भी कहते हैं. तो अगर ये कभी शब्द आए तो समझ जाइएगा what we are talking about. The meaning of pericardium is brain. The meaning of triple warmer is spinal cord. Okay. Let's talk about the joints. अब हम joints की बात करते हैं. अब हम दूसरी चीजों की बात करते हैं. Let's talk about the as per functions of the body. अगर हम अपने functions के accordingly बात करें, so when we talk about the wind, जब wind की बात करते हैं, so we already know the muscular system is the system who do highest movement. Then muscular system and the joints are coming under the wind element. Remember one thing, you want to treat the joints, you want to treat the knee joint, first you have to put the point wind, right? अगर आपको किसी भी जॉइंट को ठीक करना है, जैसे आपको शोल्डर जॉइंट को ठीक करना है, आप हाथ में तो पहुंच गए लेकिन बिंड लगा के ही जॉइंट ओपन होंगे. For example, I already told you earlier, like left leg is bind, remember? Then the left hand is heat, yes. Head is hotness, right? This chest and part with the entire abdomen is humidity, right? Right hand is dryness, okay, and the right leg is coldness. Now I'm telling you, can you treat the right knee? Right knee, okay, right knee. So First, we'll put coldness. Okay, we reach on the right knee. Am I right? Then we have to put bend. Bend, as soon as you put the bend, we'll reach all the joints of the right knee, or of all the joints of the right leg. पहले हमने कोल्डनेस लगाया तो हम राइट लेग में पहुंच गए, और फिर जैसे बेंड लगाया, मींस बॉडी इज गेटिंग द मैसेज, this person want to treat the joints, this person want to treat the muscular system somewhere in the right leg, कहीं तो right leg में। अब कहाँ, वो फिर से हमें एक अगला मैसेज देना होगा, right? Because there are too many muscular joints. We are having hip joint, we are having knee joint, we are having ankle joint. One more example. Suppose I want to treat the pain in the wrist joint in the left hand. मुझे लेफ्ट हैंड में होने वाले रिस्ट के पेन को ठीक करना है। So I want to do the treatment of the wrist joint of the left hand, maybe carpal tunnel syndrome, or maybe something else. So as per our first classification, we know this is the bend, this entire hand is heat, this is hotness, then this humidity, dryness and coldness. Now the first message I will write heat. Okay, I want to treat left hand, but I want to treat the wrist. Wrist is a joint. So second message I will write bend. Bend means joint anywhere in the left hand. All the joint will open. अब कौन सा जॉइंट है, इसके लिए कुछ आगे और मैसेज देना होगा कि मेरा टारगेट सिर्फ रिस्ट जॉइंट है, मेरा टारगेट एल्बो नहीं है, मेरा टारगेट कंधा नहीं है, मेरा टारगेट फिंगर जॉइंट्स नहीं है. I have just the wrist joint, I have to give another message. So in this way, not only this, so when we talk about the bend, the meaning of bend is muscular system or the joints, right? In the same way, we're talking about all the functions and the systems, right? If we talk about the heat and hotness, अगर हम heat and hotness की बात करते हैं, so we are having many systems in the human body. हमारे शरीर में कई प्रकार के सिस्टम हैं. When we talk about the heat, the meaning of heat is the system who pump the blood. उस सिस्टम का नाम क्या है जो ब्लड को पंप करता है? क्योंकि हीट, उस सिस्टम को हम क्या बोलेंगे? The system who is pumping the blood. Can we tell it cardiac system or the cardiovascular system? Can I tell? Right? तो उसका नाम है वो सिस्टम जो हमारे कार्डियक सिस्टम, who is pumping the blood, cardiovascular system, right? So suppose one person is suffering. First, let me write here. The meaning of heat is cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system means this is the heart, which is called cardia, and these are the blood vessels who is moving all around. Blood vessels They are called vascular. So the meaning of cardiovascular system means the blood supply and the entire body. अब आपने कहा यार मेरे हाथों में ब्लड नहीं आ रहा है, या हिप जॉइंट में नेक्रोसिस हो रही है, हिप देयर इज नो ब्लड इन द हिप जॉइंट, और my skin of the leg becoming black, there is no circulation in the leg. So cardiovascular system is responsible for blood supply. अच्छा, तुम्हारे लेफ्ट हैंड में ब्लड नहीं आ रहा है. So first classification we have to reach on the left hand, wind heat. Okay, what to do in the left hand? As soon as you put the heat point, the meaning of heat point, you are treating cardiovascular system. You want to work on the blood vessels. Suppose you want to work on the varicose veins. आपको varicose vein को ठीक करना है. अब कैसे मैसेज दोगे varicose vein का? ठीक है, पहले पैर में आ जाओ, और फिर पैर में जैसे हीट का पॉइंट लगाओगे तो सारा कार्डियोवैस्कुलर सिस्टम ओपन हो जाएगा. It means now you are treating the blood vessels. There are two type of blood vessels. Number one is arteries, number two veins. हमारे शरीर में कई प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम ऐसी होती है जिसमें प्रॉब्लम ब्लड वेसल्स में होती है, कैपिलरीज में होती है, आर्टरी में होती है, वेन में होती है. There are many diseases happening in the human bodies. Like there is a clot in the brain. Whether there is an unwanted problem, that is also the problem. Unwanted blood clot. Some rupture of the blood vessels in the brain. Varicose vein. There are many other diseases. Like I would tell you one disease that is called Raynaud's disease. एक बीमारी है जिसका नाम है Raynaud's. उसमें भी जो लोग ज्यादा स्मोक करते हैं, the people is smoking a lot, there is a problem in the arteries of the legs. So there are many problems, number of problems which might happen in the arteries or the vein. So when there is any problem in the arteries or the vein, we will do the treatment on the heat. Remember? So it's a very important, because we have to give the proper message where you want to work. आप करना का, आप एक घर में आ गए, एक रूम में आ गए, आपने कहा I want to go on the flat number 304. Okay, you reached. अब करना क्या भैया? झाड़ू लगाना है कि इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई ठीक करना है कि खाना बनाना है कि करना क्या आपको? What do you want to do after reaching in some room or the flats? There are lots of work. The work of the electric, their work of the cleaning, their work of the cooking. So we have to give the proper message. Okay, you have come in the right, left hand. Up, what do you want to do now? You want to work on the blood vessels? You want to work on the nerves? You want to work on the muscles or the joints? So this is the second message which we are giving here. So in this way, the cardiovascular system, or we can tell in the simple language, blood system, is the heat. Now we are coming to the hotness. Remember one thing, the entire nervous system